Oh, that's the wrong window.
You select an item by touching the options on the screen or by using the buttons beside the options. If you have a club card, coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid
Just a regular individual wash.
Reader now.
Yeah.
Or select an item by pressing the option on the screen or using the button beside
I think I'm a little too far away. Wait.
If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode. If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now. Please pay with either credit card or cash.
Let's do this.
If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on. If you have. Please take your receipt.
I don't think we're gonna have a
Thank you for
problem.
your business. We look forward to seeing you again
Yeah.
soon.
We're already
Please
there.
pull forward.
I
Good.
am. I'm pulling. Platinum bubble bath. Okay. Well, they're doing a little pre-scrub.
Yeah, they usually do that on the top wash, but
Well, it could be because there's nobody else here.
yeah.
They don't have an octopus curtain at all, do they?
Nope. Oh, that top wash isn't working.
Oh, I see.
That's just a that's just a chain drive.
Yes, I know.
There's a smoke alarm in the control room.
One of them finally got that mirror, huh?
Yep.
Drive helps. Can't go anywhere in neutral.
Yeah. What did you think of that location?
You know what? The Pico Tunnel is not my favorite.
Okay, why?
Well, there wasn't even an octopus brush. Or curtain, or whatever you call it.
They do make them.
I know, but, I mean, and it's you know I like Tommy's the best, because it's all open and bright and stuff in there. But the Tidal Wave Auto Spa it's all open. I don't like those closed off ones. When it's dark in there, I don't like it. I mean, it's okay.
Yeah.
It's still But those Pico tunnels are small and dark.
Well, it all depends on the building.
Yeah.
No.
Well, I mean, all the ones that I know that are Pico tunnels are the wash and roll. This one and the wash and roll in Smyrna, it's small and dark.
Yeah. Okay.
What else is what are other Pico tunnels?
I don't know.